far past boundary, content that less is more. Birds of the same flight, heading into the sun, shape shifting all the days until we are all one.